All right, class, so today we are going to be working on identifying objects through texture and weight. So in your Google assignments today, your first slide is just a title page. So remember, we always have our title page at the beginning, and as I click around, you see that you can do nothing on your title page. So this is not the page where you're going to be able to move anything around. You don't have to do anything on this page. When you move to slide 3, you will see a video which you can play that's going to explain to you how to use a balance scale when you're in the classroom.
Okay, so today we are...
And after you watch that video and you've learned how to read the balance scale, you will move through the slides and you will identify how many grams each object weighs based on reading the scale. You'll move your numbers to the top to match how many grams you think each object weighs based on the picture on the side. There will be 4 slides where you must complete in that way. When you get to slide number 8, there is a video explaining what texture is. You will watch the video, and then there is another 4 slides in which you have an object in a picture, and you must move over the words that you think describe the picture. So you will click on the words, remember to wait for the cross to show up as you see now, and you will move them down to the bottom here. All the words that you move must describe the object that is in the picture. When you have finished, you are done with your assignment and you may turn it in.